Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best electric sewing machine reviews. GK9-001 Electric Sewing Machine 210W Portable Automatic Packaging Agriculture Textile Industry Woven Bag Mini Sealing Overlock. Model, GK9-200. Name, Portable Sealing Machine. Voltage, 220V. Power, 210W. Stitches, Single Chain.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.